Hey, Ben and Jen, today's announcement by global health leaders marks a new phase in the pandemic. Experts say that just because the global health emergency is over does not mean that the pandemic is over.
The situation has markedly improved, with less mortality and an increased immunity against the virus.
Health officials ending the emergency largely in part to an increase in vaccinations, which global health leaders say has stopped large-scale outbreaks in most countries. But doctors say you shouldn't let your guard down.
This virus is here to stay. It's still killing, and it's still changing. The risk remains of new variants emerging.
Connecticut health officials echoing that same message. The state's public health commissioner released a statement saying, quote, "It's important to note that despite these announcements, the COVID-19 virus has not been eliminated," going on to urge people to continue to get boosted, stay home when sick, and use masks when needed. The global health emergency was in place for over 3 years. January 20th of 2020, the CDC confirmed the first case of COVID-19 in the U.S. 10 days later, the first case by a person-to-person infection was recorded in the U.S. In February of 2020, Governor Lamont reacting to the rapid spread of the virus.
This thing is breaking fast. You probably, know was really just detected a couple of months ago. Found out that there was person-to-person contact contagion just a month ago.
Then March 11th, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic. A week later, everything came to a halt.
Stay safe, stay at home, unless you're involved in some essential service.
By May 28th of 2020, the number of COVID deaths in the U.S. surpassed 100,000. And by June 1st of 2022, the known death toll from COVID passed 1 million in the U.S. And the federal government is set to end its health emergency next Thursday, though most COVID restrictions are over. And according to Connecticut's Public Health Department, in the last week, there have been more than 300 positive tests. 6 people have been released from the hospital and no deaths from COVID. In studio, Jake Garcia, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.